All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about alternate sources for specialty tools. All right, so we've all been there. We get a job in, we need a special tool. And back in my day, the only way you were getting special tools is to call the Snap-on man, the Mac man, the Matco man, and hope he had it on his truck. It's a new age now. We have a thing called the internet, and we can buy tools that are not going to be used every day. Now, I've gone over hand tools, ratchets, they're important. You need to, be able to warranty and yada, yada, yada. We're talking special tools that you're only going to use maybe a couple times a year, here and there. We're not talking, super expensive, tools you're going to use on a daily basis. We're talking about the odd stuff. So a perfect example of that is this kit I got from Gear Wrench. Link will be in the comments. It is a rear axle bearing puller kit. Now, Josh borrowed it. He was the first one to use it, and I actually used it today, which is why I'm doing this video. It's a slide hammer attachment for pulling rear axle bearings on, solid axles. Nothing real spectacular about it. Now, I've had this adapter for many years. Problem is it's one adapter, and there's several different axle sizes. As you saw in the kit, there was 3 sizes. This is only 1. Now, for the sizes this fits, it works great. But I can tell you right now, this costs as much as this, if not more. I've used this kit, Josh borrowed it, so we've gotten a couple uses out of it in a couple weeks' time since I bought it. Now, the reason I bought it is because I needed a kit like this, and every time we sell an axle set, I remember I only have one size. So I decided to go ahead and get the kit instead of getting the Snap-on stuff because, well, money. And it's a prime example. Is this something I'm going to use on a daily basis? We don't do a whole lot of axle bearings here. We just don't. If you're working in a shop that does a bunch of Tahoes, you might need it more often, but we don't use it a whole lot. So now if I was using it a whole lot, I probably would have got the other 2 from Snap-on, but this will work just fine for the couple times a year I'll use it. Now, another example is this belt tool from JTC for a Mini. Now, is this a tool I'm going to use on a daily basis? Nope. But it was significantly cheaper than buying the one from AST. And, cheaper. Just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it won't get the job done. Another example is this Astro Master Radio Remover Set. And there's other kits available on Amazon, but you go to some of the bigger brands, AST, it's expensive. For little things like this, it's expensive. And what do you get? Basically the same tool. Save a bunch of money by buying some stuff that's not off the Snap-on truck. There is times and places to buy the name brand stuff, and there's times to save some money and buy less expensive stuff. And how I look at it when I'm purchasing something like that is this something I'm going to use a lot, or is this something I'm going to use here and there, and the cheaper one that might be more difficult to warranty, etc., etc. A perfect example of that is the tool cost, let's say $50. The tool truck one costs $150. Is the warranty and service going to equal me buying it 3 times? So think about that when you're looking at especially specialty tools. You know, stuff you use every day, ratchets, stuff like that, I'm more inclined to go get it off the tool truck because, you know, I can touch it and feel it and all that. Specialty stuff, save some money. Go to Amazon, go to, you know, all the other tool sites and save some money. It doesn't hurt to save money on tools. I know there's guys out there that, you know, if it doesn't say Snap-on, it's not good. I don't look at it that way. I want a great tool with great service and at a good price. So, you know, decide what's worth it for you on that tool. Every time I look at a specialty tool like these, I decide, do I care about service or do I care about price? And how often am I going to use it? Do I really need the Snap-on one, or can I get away with a different brand? So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.